Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we are at our local Walmart. We're going inside to get some night crawlers, and then we're going to go right across the parking lot to the Walmart fishing pond and see if we can reel in some bluegills. Stay tuned. Here we are, guys, at the Walmart fishing section, and here are our choices. What are we going to have today? Oh, I've never seen these before. Live big red worms, 30 clear bottom cup, so you can see them, see how they look in there. Oh, they're really down in there. Look pretty lively though. Not very big, but for big red worms, not very big. We've got our regular Canadian night crawlers. Only get 18 of those in there. Fat, juicy, lively looking guys right there. You see that? Big fat night crawlers they still got in the winter time. Check these out. These are the different brand of big red. Whoa, they're much smaller than the other brand. So maybe the big red worms are big. Never seen these before, so I think we're gonna go for this. Dancing Rascals big red worms. Just a couple minutes, we'll see how they work. Be right back. Okay guys, we've been out here at this little roadside creek trying to catch these tiny fish that we see jumping. Don't know exactly what they are, but they are jumping. Hopefully my audio is good. It's really windy out here. We're gonna go fish and see if we can catch one of these guys. It's really windy. Just got a tiny hook, tiny bobber, and a little piece of a night crawler on there. I think we spook them a little bit when we're down here because this water is really clear. It's pretty shallow. I don't see the fish right now. They were jumping when I walked up. No longer seeing them jump. There's a lot of crud to get hung up on down here too. That's the setup. We got a tiny bobber, little tiny hook. I don't know if you can see that. Help if I held it in front of the camera. Tiny hook with a little weighted jig head on it. Piece of night crawler. That's it. See if we can catch one of these. I don't even know what they are. It's really the main. They're small. That's the main reason I want to catch them, is just because I don't know what they are. And I want to find out what they are. To be quiet at the same time. I cast it a little short from where I wanted to be at. There we go, got a bite. Let him take it. Got him. We get to see what they are. Here we go, guys. Like I said, they're really small. Not sure what that is. If you guys can see that.
It's like a small bass.
Some kind of bottom feeder. Let me get them off of here. Stay right there and cast where I was at. Down that way. The little tiny hook really got him. Here we go. He's making some kind of noise. See if I can get his face in the shot. There's his face. Anybody know what kind of fish that is? let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know what that is. So I have no idea. It kind of looks like a little creek chub or something like that. I don't know. When I first saw them jumping, I thought maybe they were baby carp, but I don't know. Mace, try to cast down that way. If we spooked them, they'll go that way. Like I said, I don't know if they're creek chubs, maybe baby carps. Don't know what they are. You guys leave a comment down below if you know what that is. Ugly little thing. Got another one. Got him. He's even smaller. There he is again. What is that, guys? Let me know in the comments. Mace, all I'm doing is waiting to see him jump. I'll see him jump or move around. Then I standing this far away, I cast to where I think they are. See if I can get another one real fast. I see something swimming around down there. I'm really curious what these are, guys, though. So leave a comment on the video if you know what they are, or if you think you know what they are. Give me some ideas. Really curious. Got another one. Got him. Got him. Little tiny suckers. I'm thinking they're creek chubs, maybe.
Right there.
Yep. Just use your pole and shove him back in. Still got my worm. I've got, what, 2 or 3 of these little guys. Still got my worm. There's a little bridge down here. I'm gonna cast up under this bridge. See what happens under there. I'm still seeing a lot of schools of those fish, but most of the ones I'm seeing are so tiny. They're smaller than even minnows. Don't know what they are. Don't forget, guys, leave a comment on the video. Tell me what those fish are. I'm real curious to find out. I'm gonna try to cast up right up under this bridge, see what happens. I'm trying to get further up underneath that bridge, see if anything's under the bridge. About the same spot. Not what I want at all. Got my worm. Okay, let's pack it in. No more bites. All right, guys, that's all for the video today. That's the little creek behind us. We will be back here. Just hopefully this will get deeper and we'll come back here and see what else might be in here. So remember, leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think those fish are. I'm really curious to find out. So get in the comment section. Let me know, guys. Peace out.